Google may have just dropped the most powerful AI model on the planet, and it's not even close. So yeah, Gemini 2.5 just launched, and Google's calling it their smartest model yet. And honestly, it's living up to the hype. People are already building full-on web apps with nothing but a single line of text. That's how good it is. The spotlight right now is on Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, nicknamed Nebula, and this thing is dominating. It shot to the top of the LMSYS Arena leaderboard with a mind-blowing 40-point lead over Grok 3 and GPT 4.5. That's the biggest leap that board's ever seen. And get this, on Polymarket, Gemini's odds of winning the Chatbot Arena jumped from 12.6% to 94%, basically overnight. Meanwhile, Grok 3 nosedived from 83.5% to just 4%. Wild, right? So what makes 2.5 so different? If you remember Gemini 2.0, it introduced these thinking models that actually pause to reason before replying. Well, 2.5 takes that idea and dials it up. It's got a stronger core, better training, and those reasoning skills are now baked in everywhere. This means it handles way more complex tasks, and it does it without falling apart. Oh, and about that Nebula name? That's just what Google called it during testing. It's not a separate version. Also, they've confirmed this whole thinking model thing is here to stay. It's the direction all future Gemini updates are going. Now in terms of performance, Gemini 2.5 Pro isn't just topping the charts, it's obliterating them. Math, creative writing, multi-turn conversations, you name it, it's leading the pack. It even beats GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7, and Grok 3 Mini by a huge margin. And when it comes to longer instructions and complex queries, Gemini 2.5 is now the best. Period. People on Reddit have been putting it to the test too. One user gave it a tough pattern recognition puzzle, and it cracked it in 15 seconds, way faster than Claude or Grok. Another had it generate SVG icons from scratch. That's actually pretty tricky for AI, but Gemini nailed it. Others have been testing it with code prompts, from simple web apps to full-blown physics sims. Someone even asked it to build a side-scrolling dino game from just one line of text, and it delivered working code. That's crazy. So why this sudden jump? A lot of people think it's thanks to DeepSeek. Their open-source model's been punching way above its weight, and Google probably felt the pressure to speed things up. And it's working. One huge standout feature of Gemini 2.5, the context window. It starts with 1 million tokens and will soon double to 2 million. That means it can remember a lot more of your conversation or code in one go. It's also natively multimodal. That means it can handle text, images, audio, video, and code all at once. You can drop in a photo, paste a paragraph, link some audio, and throw in code. No switching tools. For devs and creators, that's a game changer. Google also released some official benchmarks. Gemini 2.5 Pro is now leading in advanced reasoning. It crushed the AME 2025 Math Challenge and topped GPQA for science. On humanity's last exam, a dataset built to test high-level knowledge, it scored 18.8% without any test time tricks. That might sound low, but for language models, it's top tier. Now, some folks were hoping for a Canvas feature for visual tasks, but that's not available yet. Still, the coding abilities are getting major love. Gemini 2.5 is better than 2.0 at building polished web apps, agent-like code, code edits, and even full code transformations. On Sweetbench, a standard test for AI agents in code, it scored 63.8% using a custom setup. Not perfect, but impressive. And while a few Reddit users said it failed on the first try, most also noted it gets it right by the second or third. That's a common trend. Even GPT 4.5 has similar quirks. Of course, it's not flawless. Gemini 2.5 still slips up now and then, especially with basic tasks. But overall, it's a huge leap forward, and Google's custom TPUs are probably a big reason why. They can train massive models fast and affordably. Right now, you can try Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental for free in AI Studio. Some users said it sometimes flips back to the old 2.0 version, and in certain countries, it might not even show up unless you use a VPN. So yeah, rollout is still a bit spotty. Pricing details are coming soon, but it's already available for free in the Gemini app if you're an advanced user, and it'll be coming to Vertex AI for enterprise-level stuff. Logan Kilpatrick even said this version comes with higher usage limits and new billing options down the line. So yeah, it's built for serious use. Meanwhile, the AI community's having a field day. Memes everywhere. Some folks are joking that Gemini will hit version 6 before GTA 6 drops. Others are telling the model to think harder for better results. It's hilarious and kind of amazing to watch. But wait, OpenAI isn't sitting still either. Sam Altman just announced a major image generation upgrade for GPT 4.0. According to him, when he first saw the outputs, he couldn't believe they were AI generated. That's how good it is. The new tool gives you way more control over what you create, including edgier content if you want it, within limits, of course. They're watching usage closely to keep things respectful as we inch toward AGI. But it's not just about pretty pictures. GPT 4.0 now understands diagrams, structured layouts, even symbols. You can have a full conversation to tweak your image until it's exactly right, perfect for branding, character design, or anything where consistency matters. It also follows instructions better and can manage 10 to 20 different objects in a single scene. Plus, with in-context learning, you can upload a reference image and have it guide your result. That's super powerful. This update is already live for ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team users. It's the default image generator now for enterprise and education plans, and API support is just around the corner. And finally, something cool from Manus AI. They're rolling out what they call Education 2.0. Imagine a learning platform where you can create a full fast API course, flashcards, and more, all in one place. Their Anki card generator? Super slick. It turns your content into spaced repetition flashcards you can download instantly. No annoying setup, no hassle. So yeah, the AI world is moving fast, and this week, huge. What do you think about Gemini 2.5 or OpenAI's latest image tools? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're enjoying these deep dives, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. There's a lot more where this came from. Check out the next video.